Hi all, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have two different job openings from two different companies to discuss. So first, let me start with Amazon itself. So they are opening for software development engineer, and the other one is also software engineer department itself. So it is not, they are not particularly thrusting upon, it is only for engineering batch or it's only for MCA students. Okay, BE, BTech, ME, not only for them, it's applicable for most of the others too. So let's see what are those. Before that, I have something very interesting to introduce you. It's an initiative by Academy. There's a category for software developer in the Academy section. The Academy, you know, Academy, they provide so much support for your career. So they have currently come up with an initiative to support a special category for themselves for to support the software development career. So they do provide in a capsule format. They do provide all these features like how can get into the interviews, how can crack the rounds in that, how these big companies are working, and what all the things that you should take care of. Why once you wish to get into these companies and how the hiring process goes on, the architecture, everything in detail. Okay, so this is a bright opportunity for all the students who are eagerly looking forward for your career in career software development department, and everything that they provide is directly from the people who are there in the industry themselves. Okay, so now coming to this, there's a placement and tips and hacks session which is about to happen on this Thursday night 9 p.m. It's placement tips and hacks for how to get into Capgemini is what they are. You know that Capgemini is such a great company where all the freshers, there are multiple learning and multiple career options for all the freshers. So this is about to happen. So if you wish to get into that, you can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description. You can take it up and get your subscription done. So once you go, this will be the website that you will be viewing up, and you can click on the skip subscription button and get your subscription. Okay, so actually it is for 83 per month, that is 999 for an yearly subscription. So you don't have to pay that. You can use our code pratikkumar.125 and get an instant discount. So you just have to pay only 899. You can get up 10% discount. Okay, so this is only the minimum price that you're paying, like 75 rupees per month. And every month what you will be getting out of the subscription will be these many things. You will, every days in a week is packed with different sessions, different events, which is contributing a lot to a career. Apart from the interview tips, tricks, and HR talks, your college projects getting reviewed, and how you have to progress in your project, all these, apart from all these tips, there is another things that is cloud computing. You will get a class in cloud computing, then blockchain, crypto. These are the flaming things happening right now in technology, right? So all these things will be available for you, like you are getting into a brief outlook on the software development department. Okay, software development career. So this opportunity will definitely help you a lot. So make use of these kind of opportunity for your career to start with it. So these are the people who is coming up directly from the industry, which you are looking forward for, with the immense experience that will help us a lot in that. So make sure you go with the link that I've mentioned in the description and use our coupon code, get the discount and apply for the same. Okay, so this is what I would have to remind you about. Now coming about the opening in Amazon. So Amazon is hiring for the software development engineer, it's an intern position. So now you might know about the internship opportunities and the importance of internships. Once you're done in this great companies, then this internship will help you to get into different other companies, which is providing you great package. After all, from this package, this will give you an opportunity to have a great wide open doors for your career. It's not about getting into other companies as well. You can even perform well in internship period, and you can even try getting into Amazon itself with that. Okay, so there's some immense, there are a lot many opportunities for the internship and benefits of internship as well. So this is software engineer development engineer position at Hyderabad. So here, this is basically coming to the qualification. Currently enrolled in bachelor's or master's degree. That is, it is for the final years. 2022 passed out students. Okay, it is for them. Computer engineering or related fields at the time of application. Knowledge of syntax and language in Java, C, C++, or Python, or the fundamentals of computer science like OOPS, algorithm, data structures, and everything. Okay, so for them, this is applicable for CS related fields. Whoever it is, you are engineering or a normal graduation, whatever it is, if it is you are related to computer science related fields, and you have these many knowledge, then you can definitely try for this. They have not put forward a lot many kind of technologies criteria to know. It's very basic. when coming to this thing. And preferred qualification, you can see this is the previous technical internships. If you have any internships done previously, this will that will be taken into account. And experience criteria too, like you may be a master's student, but after your bachelor's you might have gone for some job or some internship, then you have continued your studies. So in that aspects you can mention that experience criteria too in the IT sector itself. So this is it about the openings available. So we can just go through the roles and responsibilities and the description to know further about. So this is a 40 hours per week for 8 consecutive weeks, that is 2 months. So it's just a 2 months internship, like 40 hours a week, in the sense you will have to work from Monday to Friday, like 5 days a week, 8 hours. Okay, so this is it. And it is about to happen between April and May 22. It means that 2022 will be about to pass. All their final examinations will be almost done. So you'll be by then free. So for every student, you can just invest in your career through these opportunities. Okay. So that's it. Key responsibility. You can just go through like what are the things that you'll be performing by being an intern in software engineering field. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button, and that will navigate you through the application process. So here, the application process, like what you have to do is you can log into Amazon Jobs if you have another ID with you. If not, you can log in with your Amazon ID itself. Else, if you don't have any of the things, you can just create your account by yourself, as normally giving your email ID and setting up a password. Then create one is what you have to do. After that, you'll be having sections to complete. The first will be the personal information, your name, address, mail ID, then contact information, everything. Thereafter, you'll go for the resume session. You have to upload your well-updated resume, especially for software development engineer, customized for that. And you have to upload that. Then you will be going for the education details, then work experience if it is applicable. Then are you really ready to relocate? All the company policies you have to go through and accept the terms and conditions, acknowledge it the same, and submit. Okay, so this is about the Amazon Jobs that is available. So now we have the other, which is that software engineering associate in Amdocs. So this opening is also a core job, software engineering associate software engineering, and the location is Pune, and Amazon one was from Hyderabad. And here too, there's only minimal qualification criteria. Yes, all you need is you must be a BE, BTech, MTech, ME, MCA student. Streams will be ENTC, CSC, IT, ENC only. Then throughout 60% with no year job. That is, if your graduation is for 4 years, you have to complete it within 4 years itself, not like 5 years, 6 years, 8 years to take complete. Should not have any break in between. You have to go in the 4. Next, what you love this job? Software. Okay, it's a software job. So what you have to, what is they mainly looking forward you to have is a software life cycle or software development life cycle. You must have a pretty good knowledge on the same. Okay, so you can just go through these many details and see what are the jobs that will be performing. So from this, you can get to know that you will design, you will be develop, you will be modify, then debug or maintain software code according to functional or non-functional technical design specifications. Okay. So this is you must be a team player. You must know every life cycle of a software development, and this is it. Okay, so it is open for 2021 batches, as they mentioned here, passing out is in 2021. So this is for them. We can try applying. And 2022 batches, if you have info some kind of internship and you are now currently at 2021, then you can even try apply. You cannot assure you'll be getting selected or not, but you can even try applying that, because every individual will be different. Some 2020 pass out students will be much more skilled than the 2021, so they will be picking up those kind of students, and some will be may not. So it depends upon the various factors. Okay, so you can see some pop-up box like session has expired. No, because I have opened this window for a long time, it's because of that. You can just refresh and move forward. So yeah, this is the form that you have to take care of while you apply. So you have to upload your resume, well updated resume for software development field. Okay, you have to customize it accordingly. Then your email address, you can keep a password, then your first name. If you have the PAN card, you can provide that as well. If you don't have, don't worry. And total work experience in years, if you don't have any, 0. Then if you have, you can give number of days required to join. If you are ready to join at any time, you can give 0, or else you can specify the date. Then expected yearly compensation from Amdocs. That will be like most of them software development field Amdocs to provide 4 plus LPA. So if you're experienced, you can provide according to your experience and everything. You can like negotiate a salary. If not, if you're a fresher, you can give the standard compensation provided, and you can give all the things. Are you employed, or is there is an employee? Everything. Give all the details which is they're asking for, and after that apply for the same. Okay, so this is the opening from Amdocs. So this was the application process that you have to take care of. So if you are already created uh, uh, profile under the careers of Amdocs, you can just use this please sign in and use the same form. But I would recommend you to update your resume from that. If you are using the same profile, it's not a problem, but do update your resume. So they will be having like you are putting forward resume for this particular opening. Don't use the same one. Okay, so that's it. That's all about the openings available. So if you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've discussed in this video, please do mention in the comment section. We'll be looking forward for that. And if you wish to get any guidance or would like to know anything about it, you can mention. We'll create the videos upon that. Okay, so that's all, guys. Until I come up with another video, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.